So the biggest guys, I see them being okay with breaking even, going upside down a little bit because they know their numbers so well. Versus
Yeah.
the people that don't grow a lot, they try to really trying to hit that profit day one is hard with supplements or some of the physical products.
Yeah. I actually think that's really good advice. We recently talked to a company that made supplements and all sorts of stuff in South Florida. And they were doing really well until they got their Facebook account knocked down and they went from millions a month to hundreds of thousands a month. This is the call we had earlier in the week, Gabe.
Yeah.
And they were pressing, they're like, hey, what can we do for economics? What can we do for economics? And I really pushed back and said, at this point, I don't like, we shouldn't care yet. Because the most important thing we need to do to help you is make a converting funnel. And then we can get an idea of what economics are. And like, they had a lot of products where people should be ordering again. And I'm like, what's your reorder rate? And they said that we don't even know. And so I'm like, oh man, like you just have a lot of work to do. And so they were kind of spoiled when they had their Facebook account, but like, it's pretty much suicide having one channel. That's insane. And
Mhm.
relying on that, like that's completely ludicrous. So we're helping them be more robust. But I agree. I think the point being made where it's like knowing your lifetime value is really like one of your biggest advantages in this game.
And working on that lifetime value, it's just,
Hmm.
I think 5, 7 years ago, people still try to compare to that where you could just get away with having a good front end product. It's fine, but that's just not it anymore.
Totally.
Mhm.
Just for people who don't know what lifetime value is, it's basically like how much money someone spends with you over the life of them being with your business. So on average, if your customers order $100 product 3 times, the average order is $300. So that kind of gives you a breakdown of what to look at. And when you start building out your metrics based on that, maybe everyone else is only willing to pay $50 because they want to double their money, but you're willing to pay 150. It's just a complete game changer and gives you a huge advantage.